Are you tired of overpaying for domains? I mean, really tired of seeing a great name, checking the price, and just closing the tab? Yeah, me too. But here's the good news. You don't have to settle for the scraps. There are hidden gems in Namecheap's market waiting for someone who knows where to look. And after this video, that someone is going to be you. So let me show you exactly how to find those deals, using some pro filters that most people just scroll right past. All right, here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the market step by step. First, we'll get to the right page. Then I'll show you how to use filters like closeouts and AI to spot the bargains. You'll even learn how to set up alerts so you never miss a good one again. Sound good? Let's get into it. So the very first thing you want to do is open up a new tab and head over to the full TLD list page on Namecheap. This is basically their master list of every domain extension they offer. You can find this under the Domains menu, but don't worry about memorizing the URL. Just search for it if you need to. Now that you're on that page, look for the link that says Namecheap Market. Go ahead and click on that. This is the doorway to all the premium domains that are up for grabs. It's where the real treasure hunt begins. Once you're inside the market, you'll see a highlighted area, or maybe a big banner. Click on that to move forward. This gets you past the welcome mat and into the actual listings. Now here's where we start to get smart. See the filter options on the left side? The first one I want you to look at is the Sort menu. Click on Popular. This is a great way to see what other people are looking at. If a domain is popular, there's usually a reason for it. It gives you a sense of the market's pulse. And here's the really important part. Next, look for the filter labeled Closeouts. Click that one. Closeouts are domains that didn't sell in an auction and are now offered at a reduced price. If you want a deal, this is where you live. It's like the clearance rack at your favorite store, but for domain names. After that, scroll down a little more in the filter list and click on AI. This is a newer category, but it's huge right now. If you're looking for something techy or future-proof, filtering by AI domains can point you to names that are trendy and valuable. Then keep going. Click on the filter labeled SEO-friendly. Now, this is a goldmine if you care about search rankings. These domains are usually short, memorable, and often contain keywords that Google loves. It's a shortcut to something that already has a head start. All right, so you found a domain you like. Maybe it's from the closeouts or the AI section. When you're ready to pull the trigger, just click the Buy Now button. This locks in the price and starts the checkout process. Easy as that. But wait, there's more. Before you leave, click on Completed Listings. This section shows you what similar domains actually sold for in the past. It's a fantastic reality check. You can see if the price you're about to pay is fair, or if you should hold out for something better. And this is the trick that will save you the most time. Look for the link that says Auction Newsletter. Click on that. Here's why. Instead of refreshing the page every day hoping to spot a deal, you can let the deals come to you. Signing up for this newsletter means you get notified about upcoming auctions directly to your inbox. You'll be the first to know. So, click on the highlighted area to get started with the sign-up. Then, once you're on the next page, click the Join button. That's it. You're now subscribed. And that is exactly how you navigate the Namecheap market like a pro. From using the closeouts filter to save money, to sorting by popular to spot trends, to signing up for the auction newsletter so you never miss a sale again. You've gone from feeling confused about where to look to having a clear, repeatable system. So next time you need a domain, you know exactly where to start. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.